g'olib nomi e'lon qilinadi.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds, we go to the scorecards. The totals are 30-27, 29-28, and 29-28. All for your winner by unanimous decision,
Nursulton Ro'ziboyev do'stlar, navbatdagi g'alaba muborak bo'lsin. Yurtdoshimiz UFC'dagi 5-jangida g'alaba qozonyapti. 4-g'alaba, bitta mag'lubiyat bor. Nursulton Ro'ziboyev, tabrik eshitamiz endi.
Alhamdulillah shu kunga yetkazgan Robbimga ham sanolar bo'lsin. Dustin Stovuz men kutganimdan yaxshiroq urishdi. Bilmadim. Dasturni tugatishga shans bo'lmadi.
Alhamdulillah, thank you everybody for the support. Dustin Stoltzfus was a great opponent. He was tougher than I thought. I tried to finish him, he didn't give me a chance.
Yeah, he was definitely tough. The pair of you were. You hit him with some beautiful clean shots, spinning wheel kicks, but he wouldn't go down. Were you surprised he took that much damage?
Zalda bir ikki marta razorot tepib ko'rdim, kallaga tegdi. Shuning uchun bo'yda ham tepdim, menimcha bo'yda